Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering off and removing the AirPods from the case. This prevents charging or moisture issues. Once done, disconnect Bluetooth to avoid accidental commands. Use a lint-free cloth, slightly dampened with 70% isopropyl alcohol, to wipe outer surfaces. This dissolves oils quickly without residue. Meanwhile, have a soft brush and toothpick ready to dislodge visible debris from speaker meshes. Make sure to work over a towel so tiny parts don't roll away. Now focus on the delicate meshes and vents. You brush gently across speaker grills to sweep debris away rather than pushing it deeper. Once the loose material is removed, use a dry cotton swab and toothpick at a shallow angle to lift stubborn wax. Do not apply liquids directly into the mesh because that risks internal damage. If you have silicone tips, remove and rinse them with warm water, then let them air dry fully. Reattach only when completely dry to preserve sound quality. Finish by cleaning the charging case. You use a lint-free cloth dampened with 70% isopropyl to wipe interior and exterior, taking care not to let liquid pool near the contact pins. Then, use a toothpick and soft brush to clear crevices and earbud slots, and follow with short bursts of filtered, compressed air to remove debris. Don't overdo pressure. Once everything is dry, reassemble. If you still have charging or connectivity problems after drying, perform a factory reset to rule out software issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.